Hello everyone, today I Shubhra Chaturvedi welcome you to the maths class dealing with number system. Today our topic will be estimation. So let's first understand what estimation means. Estimation means calculating something with approximate value, that is not exact value we take approximate value, that is approximation calculation we do. We do this estimation just to make our calculation easier. And how this estimation is done? In this, when we take approximate value, we take it out by rounding off the numbers. That is, either I round it off to nearest tens or nearest hundred or nearest thousands, like this. We do round off the given number. Now, main concept that deals in rounding of the numbers is the number 5. Number 5. When we have 5 or greater than 5, the number which is to be rounded off, we add 1 to it. And if the number is less than 5, then the number which is to be rounded off, it remains same as it is. This can be better explained by taking the example. Suppose my first step is, if I am asking you to round off to nearest tens. If I am asking you to round off to nearest tens, let's take first example, that is I am taking number 15 and I am asking you to round off to nearest tens. So what I am going to do, it is very simple. We will write 15 as it is, and then everyone knows about place value. So what I am going to write over here, place value of the number. This is ones and this is tens. I have written these place value. Now what I have to round off to nearest tens. So I will see the tens place. At tens place we have 1. The number which is rounded off. We see the number behind it. We are having 5 behind it. So I am seeing that this number is 5. And I said when it is 5 or greater than 5, we add 1 to the number which is to be rounded off. So 1 is to be rounded off, so I am going to add 1 to it. It will become 2. And after this, all the numbers behind it, that is all the digits behind the number which is to be rounded off, it will become 0. So this 5 will become now 0. So what is the value? It is 20. That is 15 is rounded off to 20. This is our answer. Next example if I take, it is 128. Again I have written 128. Now I will write place value of the number again, ones, tens and 100. Now I want to round off to nearest tens. Again I will see the tens value, it is 2, and now I will see the digit behind it, it is 8. So again it is greater than 5. When it is greater than 5, I will add 1 to it, it will become 3, and all the digits behind it will be 0, and this one will be as it is. No change will be there over here. So what is this number? It is 130. That is 128 is rounded off to 130 in nearest tens. Another example if I take, it is 232. Again I will write place value over here and I will see tens place. It is 3. Now I will see the number behind it. It is 2. Now this 2 is less than 5. So this number will remain as it is. As I said earlier, if it is less than 5, the number which is to be rounded off, it remains same. So this will remain same as it is, and again same procedure I will follow, that this 2 will be 0 and this 2 as it is. So to nearest tens it is rounded off to 230. This is what is happening in nearest tens. Now we come to our next topic, that is when we have to round off to nearest 100. I will take one example, 452 over here, and with same procedure I will again write the number and I will write place value over here. I have to round off to nearest hundreds, so I will see the number which is at hundreds place. It is 4. Now I will see the number behind it. It is 5. So we all know that if it is 5 or greater than 5, I will add 1 to it. So this will be 5, and all the digits after the number, it will become 0. So 452 will be rounded off to 500 in nearest 100. Now if I am asking of 7860, again I will write place value ones, tens, 100 and 1000. like this I have written. Again I will see hundreds place, it is 8. Now I will see the number behind it, it is 6, which is again greater than 5. So I will add 1 to it, it will become 9, and all digits after this will become 0, and this 7 will be as it is. So in nearest 100 it is rounded off to 7900. This is what is happening in nearest hundreds. I hope this is clear. Now we are coming in to our next topic, that is rounding off to nearest thousands. Now I have given one number 2462, that is 2462. How this will be rounded off to nearest thousand? Again I will write the place value over here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, and at 1000 place what I am having? 2. I will see the number behind it, it is 4. So 4 is less than 5, so it will remain, this number which is to be rounded off, that is 2, it will remain as it is, and then after that all the digits after this will become 0. So what is approximated value? That is 2000. 2462 is rounded off to 2000 in nearest thousands. Now next move on to the next example. 96,824. This number you have to round off to nearest thousand. Again I will write the place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. I have written. I will see the 1000 place, it is 6, and then number behind it, it is 8. It is what? Greater than 5, so I will add 1 to it. So this will become 7. This 9 will be as it is, and then all the digits after the number which is to be rounded off, they will become 0. So what is the number? 97,000. That is 96,824 is rounded off to 97,000 in nearest thousand. I hope this topic is clear to you all. Thank you everyone.